check out this classic here at Unique Special Lane Classics. We don't see too many of these come through. 1964 model year, Ford Fairlane 500, two-door hardtop. 289 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper and bright work as far as the grille and headlight surrounds. That chrome looks good. The front bumper may have been re-chromed along the line somewhere. D paint code, Dynasty Green. Now you can see paint. It's got a little bit of patina, or shows its age a tad, as you can see by a few chips or just a little different staining here or there. One of those cars, get in, drive it, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, be a fun car to drive. And again, you just don't see a lot of the Ford Fairlanes in the 64 model year. At least we don't here. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheel, painted to match. Wheel covers, radial tires. You'll be able to see the tread depth and the close-ups. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, the lower rockers. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online. You can see this passenger side is nice and straight. Original DSO on this car, 72. So this would be a San Jose, California car originally. And it really shows. Those lower rockers look pretty darn good up around the wheel wells. Rear quarters. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. You can see white top, Dynasty green lower portion. Bright works in nice shape up and down that passenger side too. Not full of nicks, dings. Yeah, really straight. Tech that looked at this car did note there is some seepage, just kind of your typical seeps. I mean, the car's 60 years old now, but still gets in and drives down the road nicely, brakes straight. Dual exhaust with an H pipe. You can see the chrome in the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Tech also noted the wipers work. It has newer sway bar links, newer rear suspension components also. And you can see the paint, it doesn't look bad, it just shows its age some. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also has fresh coolant in it. Coolant change just done and serviced. If you like these 60s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in the videos that are uploaded are available to purchase online or right here off our showroom floor. You can see the bright work and the trim. Looks good up and down this driver's side also. And as you take a look at those lower rockers, look good too. Some scratching down on this one, but they're not rotted away or corrosion or rust or bubbles coming through. Those of you that subscribe to our YouTube channel, I want to say thanks. We made 100,000 subscribers just recently. We appreciate that. And you guys get a look at cool cars, so keep checking us out. All right, interior. Those door panels look like they could easily be original. You can see it's like original paint up here in the top of the door, maybe where the arm was resting with the windows down, going for cruises. Give you a good look at the interior. Interior trim on this car, 27, so turquoise interior. Aftermarket stereo that is working. It's fired up. So it's 289 sounds. I do believe we'll have to be in neutral on this one. Boards once in a while. Listen to that, fires right up. Top of the dash painted to match. I did mention the Sanyo. AM FM cassette player is working. Tech noted that the heater does blow hot. I mentioned the wipers do work. About the headliner. Looking good. No major rips, tears, holes in the seating surfaces. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. Nice little throaty rumble coming out of that thing. Fun car to drive. Be able to get into the classic car hobby without spending enough to break your bank account. And you know what? This should be a fun car to drive because you're not going to see them all the time. No doubt about that. Let me pause this a second. Let's get the hood open, check out that engine bay. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. There it is, 289. So I got 4-barrel on there. Power steering, as you can also see. Smooth runner. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice power plant. Tried and true. Reliable 289. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door hardtop. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, and the number to call, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Ford Fairlane. This would be a two-door in a nice teal blue color. This is an automatic on the column. And our turn signal indicator is working. Fuel gauge reading just over a half tank. This is a very smooth running car. A little bit of a rumble out the back. Speedometer working as it should. Our temperature gauge is just coming up on a quarter of the way up the gauge. Sanyo stereo in the dash.
Hardtop for humanity.
That is working on FM. It does have cassette. I did not test the cassette. Nice looking carbon seat. Headliner and the dash. Bench seat, vinyl and cloth mix. Definitely a nice smooth ride down the road. Steering wheel nice and straight, stays straight when you let off. That means our alignment is good. The wipers and blower motor also working on this car. Brakes nice and smooth. Got a little bit of traffic. Power steering working very well, easy to steer. Corners the way a 64 Fairlane should. The kickdown is working on that automatic transmission. A really nice cruiser in some great colors. Take a look at the pictures of this 64 Fairlane at uniqueclassiccars.com.